This video is concerned once again with the same problem, how to set the image in the background of JFrame. But in this case I am going to remove this image panel class and want to show you something new. Just create a label object and then image icon by passing image object, add the label and set the resizable to false for the JFrame. So this will fix the maximize button and you cannot resize your frame, and according to the size of picture image you want to add in on your frame, just keep the same size of your frame, then you will have a better result. Let's see the result here. Now you will see that sizable button is off, your image is complete in the center. If you will change the dimension of the frame, then the image will be in the center. Let us check it. So we will see that if we have even the larger frame screen, the image will be on the center, and the resizable button is maximize button is disabled. It will more better to add the image with the help of label. Thank you very much.